Alright, Lexi, show me how you open the garbage. Stand up. Oh, you don't even have to stand up, do you? Do it. Let me see you open the garbage. Good job. Now show me how you show me how you do a ghost. Will you help her do a ghost?
Lexi. Boo.
Say boo.
Come here. Say boo. Over here. Ready?
Oh gosh.
Okay. Go ahead and get Mama. Let's go get Mama the ghost. Ready? Put your ghost on.
Okay, come here,
And then say
Lexi.
boo. Say boo.